I used to think learning how to code was only for geniuses, or people who enjoy staring at error messages at 2 a.m. Turns out, neither is true. The real reason most people fail at coding isn't because it's hard. It's because they learn it in the slowest, most painful way possible. They watch tutorial after tutorial, feel productive, maybe even take notes, and 6 months later, they still can't build anything without pausing the video every 10 seconds. That's not learning, that's just binge watching with extra steps. If you want to learn coding fast, the first thing you need to understand is this. Coding is not about memorizing syntax. Google exists, Stack Overflow exists, AI exists. Nobody is hiring you for your memory. They hire you because you can solve problems. Coding is simply giving clear instructions to a computer to solve a problem for you. Instead of asking, what language should I learn, ask, what do I want to build? Websites? Apps? Automations? Games? Once you know the destination, choosing the language becomes easy. And no, you don't need to learn 5 languages at once. Pick one, stick to it, get uncomfortably good at it. Everything else becomes easier later. Here's the part most people skip. You have to start building way before you feel ready. Not after finishing a course, not after watching 100 videos, immediately. Your first project will be bad. Your second will be slightly less bad. That's how it's supposed to work. Nobody's first project is impressive. If it is, they're lying. When you build something, even something simple, your brain is forced to think. You'll get stuck. You'll Google things you don't understand. You'll break stuff. And that's where real learning happens, not in tutorials, in confusion. Another mistake beginners make is trying to learn everything. Frameworks, tools, libraries, advanced concepts. That's like trying to learn how to cook by studying every cuisine on Earth before making eggs. You don't need everything, you need the basics. Variables, conditions, loops, functions, how data flows. That small set of concepts solves most real problems. And yes, you should use AI, but not like a crush. Don't ask AI to write your entire project. Ask it to explain things. Ask it why your code is broken. Ask it to give hints, not answers. AI should make you faster, not lazy. If you blindly copy code, you're not learning coding, you're just borrowing intelligence. One more thing no one tells you, feeling stupid is part of the process. Every developer you admire has stared at their screen thinking, why is this not working? The difference is they didn't quit. They stayed long enough for things to click. If you want to learn coding fast, stop chasing perfection. Stop waiting to feel ready. Start small, build often, break things, fix them, and repeat. Coding rewards action, not intention. And one day, you'll look back and realize the moment you actually started building, everything changed.